Today in the livestock market, cattle rebounded. That follow-through buying definitely lifted the futures. We just saw it really come off the bottom from 2 days ago, from on Monday when the market really bottomed out, but it's really come off solidly now. Cash trade and demand still is kind of slow, but it seems like the technicals really were stepping in and raised the bids and provided possibly a new uptrend. It's only been a couple of days. It's hard to distinguish whether this is going to be a new trend, but still it was up very strong today. Interestingly enough, the feeders today, they also surged even more than live cattle. The new gains did gain some momentum here, and so it could be that maybe we're going to finally start to lead this market back up. Now we know that lately, and I mean lately over the last 6 months or so, that the electronic market kind of has been overshooting its objective on the upside and the downside, and maybe we did see that this time around, and that's why the market really bounced off its lows from Monday. So time will tell to see if this is actually going to be a new uptrend, but it certainly does look very, very good at this point. Hogs is a whole nother story, lower again. We're still hoping for news of a trade deal, and I think that there is some fatigue waiting for that. It's really not coming. The expectation is that it's not going to be coming for the end of the year, but they're hoping beyond hope. I think that the idea that there's big supplies, there's slow demand, is really a recipe for a dismal market right now, and some idea that the market should rally hard if we ever do get a deal is still there. But we've been hanging on for quite a long time now, and so we don't see really any activity. And because the participation is so slow, it's really difficult to get this market moving. We're again touching lows that we've had since before African swine fever stepped in. So these tariffs have really taken its toll on the pork industry, certainly with the U.S. We definitely have plenty of supplies to move along as soon as we can kind of open up the chain of command here to start to move it. But right now it seems that China is just digging their heels in and is kind of telling us that they want to buy their pork elsewhere. That's really challenging for our farmers, and perhaps we can get this turned around. So today it's a little bit lower.